In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link for later, so you can schedule a meeting in advance and share the link ahead of time. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use for the meeting, because the link will be tied to that account. Using Calendar is the easiest and most reliable way to create a Meet link for a future meeting. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for the Create button, usually found on the top left of the screen. Click it to start a new event. A small event window will open where you can set all the details for your meeting. Begin by giving your event a clear descriptive title. For example, instead of just calling it Meeting, you might name it Project Check-in or Client Call. This helps keep your calendar organized and makes it easier to recognize later. Next, set the date and time for your meeting. Click on the Date field to choose the day, and then adjust the start and end times. Take a moment to confirm your time zone is correct, especially if you'll be inviting people in different regions. If it's a recurring meeting, like a weekly call, you can set it to repeat on a schedule that works for you. Now, this is the key part: adding the Google Meet link. In the event window, you should see an option that says something like Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, or simply Add Video Conferencing. Click that, and Google Calendar will automatically generate a unique Meet link for this event. You'll see the link appear right in the event details. If you want to invite participants, use the Guests or Add Guests section on the right side of the event window. Type in their email addresses, and Calendar will send them an invitation that includes the Google Meet link, date, time, and any other details you've added. This makes it simple for them to join with a single click. You can also add a description to the event, such as an agenda or notes, so everyone knows what to expect during the meeting. When you've set everything up, click Save. If you added guests, you'll be prompted to send invitations. Confirm that, and you're done. Your scheduled Google Meet link is now ready, and you can always return to the event in Google Calendar to copy the link or make changes later.